This is Tony the Gheenoe guy. Today we're going to be hitting Moultrie Creek, East Creek, and maybe Mangrove Creek. We're going to be doing this fishing today by myself. Seat buckle. Remember, safety first. And we're going to be hitting these creeks by ourselves. We're going to go to the bait store now. We're heading to the bait store and hopefully picking up some live shrimp, maybe finger mullet and mudman. Hopefully we'll catch on some big fish and see where all the fish are laying in between these tides the way they're at right now. Hey, thanks. Leave it back. You too. Success at spot number 1 on Moultrie side in the outgoing tide. We caught a 16-inch red and multiple mangroves. More than I can. I'm putting 2 poles out, and as soon as I throw one out, I'm getting hooks on the other one. So it's a never-ending battle over here. But I think what I've found is you have to catch the small ones to get to the big ones sometimes. And they're in there. There's just a lot of small ones too. We're going to keep trying here for a little bit longer, then we're going to go over to East Creek and see what we can do over there and get some of them trout. Maybe we can get on those. On the croakers, East Creek, got the croakers in here. Hopefully we'll get on the trout and the reds. But that's a good sign the croakers are biting. Oh, lady. Lady!